Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. This is a number problem and we're going to be looking at boxes and a truck and working out the different sizes to work out the total mass of the truck. So we're looking at weight. The question is written here. You've got to show your method, which means write down what you're thinking and what your working is in this box here. And the answer needs to get written in this box here. And you'll get a total of 2 marks for the exam. So our keywords in the question are to work out the total mass of the 20 boxes on the truck. So you're told that 4 of these are 6.5 kilograms, 8 of the boxes are 4 kilograms, 6 of the boxes are 2.5 kilograms, and 2 of the boxes are 13 kilograms. And they're all on this truck and you've got to work out the total mass in kilograms. This will give you 2 marks in the exam. Your key facts. You need to know how to multiply and shortcuts to multiply and to be able to do it in your head quickly and easily. So for example, when you're multiplying by 4, you can double the digits and then double again. So that is a quick way to multiply by 4 if you're unsure of what the multiplication is. The next one is multiplying by 6. Now multiplying by 6 is the same as multiplying by 3 and then doubling, because 3 times 2 is 6. Or you could do it the opposite way around. You could double and then multiply by 3. But again, because 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So these are shortcuts to help you multiply by 4 or 6 in your head. So using these shortcuts to multiply, see if you can work out what the total mass of this truck is and then get your answer written down. Get yourself a pen and paper or use a whiteboard or a Chromebook, whatever you need to help you get the answer. Fantastic work. So hopefully you've managed to work through this puzzle and get yourself an answer. Remember to show your working as it says here on the left. So show your method. So write down the numbers that you need to work out. These written numbers need to be written in this box here. I'm going to show my working around here so you can clearly see where it is, but then I'm also going to include some information in here. So to start with, we have got numbers of boxes and the weight. So to work out the total mass of each of these different boxes, we need to multiply how many boxes you've got by the mass. So you're going to do 4 times 6.5, 8 times 4, 6 times 2.5 and 2 times 13 to work out the mass of each of the individual boxes. And then to find the total, you've got to add them all together. So the total is an add to get the total mass. Again, if you haven't quite got an answer, remember you can pause at any point through the video. So we're going to start off by looking at 8 times 4 because that's an easy calculation that you should know off the top of your head. So 8 times 4 is 32. Or as I've put over here, double and double again. Double 8 is 16, double 16, if you're unsure on that one, double 10 is 20, double 8 is 16, add them together, gives you 32. Next, we're going to look at 4 times 6.5. So again, we're going to double and double again. So doubling 6 gives me 12, double 12 is 24. Double 0.5 is 1, double it again is 2. So 24 plus 2 is 26. The next one we're going to look at is 2 times 13, nice and easy, so just doubling 13, which is 26. And then we've got 6 times by 2.5. Now 2.5 is a decimal number, so we're going to use this trick here for multiplying by 3. So we can times it by 3, then double, or double then times by 3. Now because it's got a decimal, if I double first, it makes it easier because it gets rid of this fraction. So 6 is the same as 3 times 2, and we know that 2 times 2.5 is equivalent to doubling 2.5, so double 2 is 4, double a half is 1, so 4 plus 1 is 5. So that is the same as 2 times 2.5 is 5. So this is the same as 3 times 5, and 3 times 5 we know is 15. So all these weights I've worked out here, we now need to add to find the total mass. So we need to write down all these weights. So you've got 2 plus 6 plus 6 plus 5, so you need to work that out. So if you think of 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 5 is 17, plus 2 is 19, so you're going to carry a 1 and you put the 9 underneath. Next we've got 3 plus 2 is 5, plus another 2 is 7, plus 1 is 8, plus another 1 is 9. So again, we've got another 9, which gives me 99 kilograms. So that is just the working that I'm thinking in my head to help you get the answer. Give yourself a big tick if you manage to get 99 kilograms all on your own. Great work, well done. The mark scheme on this question shows the answer is 99 kilograms for 2 marks, or up to 2m, which means up to 2 method marks. You will get 1 mark for showing all this information down here and then trying to add, or for making a simple mistake. You can get 2 marks for getting 99,000 grams, as long as you've included the unit. There are other information over here to be able to tell you what you need to do to gain the 1 mark, or whether it's worth 2 marks. If you found this video useful, please share, like and subscribe so we can all get great at maths. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Please follow Get Great at Maths on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and X. What do you want to see next on Get Great at Maths? Please comment below. See you next time.